What's up everyone? In today's video I have something super exciting for anybody who likes gaming or who has young kids. It's a retro video game system that comes with 900 plus video games. It comes with a wireless AR gun so you can shoot directly at your TV just like you did in the old school days. You also get two wireless controllers that are very similar to Wii, so you can play motion games like bowling, ping pong, tennis, and so many others. It's a plug and play device. It works with any TV, any PC monitor, any projector that has an HDMI input. It's a super gift for adults and kids who love gaming and shooting games. Today we will unbox the console. I'm going to show you how to set it up, and I'm going to show you the list of every single game and how they all play. In addition, if you have young kids, you play lots of games, you want to have rechargeable batteries. So I'm going to show you what kind of rechargeable batteries I have, what charger I have, and where I store it. Anyways, stay tuned for this awesome video. Alright, so this is the Buddy Gun game console. It's one of the only retro things with a gun that will work on a brand new HDMI smart TV, so that's an 86-inch. It's got 800 to 900 retro games, but we really got it for the blaster so we can shoot at the TV. It's also got Wii-type controllers so you can play tennis, golf. There's a lot of cool sports games. There's a lot of real fencing, there's a lot of cool games, 58 puzzle games, 29 interactive games, 22 individual gun games, and in total 900 plus games, and it's a wireless game console. Alright, so inside we have a screwdriver, we've got HDMI cable, here's your first controller, your second controller, this is your USB charging cable, the charging cube, this is your cool gun, and then this is the brains of the operation. Tiny little thing that probably doesn't weigh more than like 30 grams. So the game console is very small. Once you plug it into the USB, you're gonna know there's a blue light, there's a switch on the back that you can toggle on or off. We took the USB and we plugged it into the USB on the back of our TV. That's where it's getting its power. And then the HDMI, we just gotta connect to the HDMI. Now for your controllers, you wanna make sure that you have this, I guess, under the TV so you can kind of mount it like this, because the infrared for the gun has to be essentially visible in the front. Alright, so let's take our HDMI, we plug it into the TV, we switch to the input, and you are presented with this. Let's go and put our batteries into this and the two controllers. So the gun has a cover that you need to get access to, and then you want to put in two AAA batteries, and then both remotes also have a cover. Here you put in also two AAA batteries, so in total you need 6. Now, I definitely recommend getting yourself some rechargeables. The ones that we're using are obviously Amazon Basics because they're the cheapest and they last the longest. And what you guys are seeing me taking this out is this little custom case that I bought on Amazon. It's just a piece of plastic with all this foam. So this was for the batteries. And then I cut out a portion of it, and then this is a POW XS LCD Smart Universal Charger. So this one will charge every single battery, whether it's Powerall, Amazon Basics, or even IKEA batteries. And the bonus is it comes with this cool battery tester. All right, so batteries are in, and then these joysticks are essentially going to allow you to navigate around the games. So of course, this is this way. Now the gun turns on with this. It recognizes right away. Now over here we do have this little mover, so this also works like a controller. See? I mean, this is crazy for what I paid for this. So right here, this is how you know that the battery is working. You got red. So let's see if I can just shoot at that. I can. Oh, there's haptic feedback. That's awesome. All right, so we're gonna go and just center this. I guess this is for calibration. There we go. I'm gonna shoot there in the corner. So you can see that your target is kind of moving things. So let's go and press. That's so cool. You feel the vibration in the trigger. Let's just do say duck, because duck hunt is good. Now this is an HDMI 2024 television. So we're about 9 feet away. For little kids, it will obviously develop motor skills. How do you reload? That's reloading. There we go. Now to go back. Do we want to quit? Yes, we want to quit. And that will take us back. Alright, let's try sharpshooter. Again, each time you enter a game, you want to calibrate. Alright, so this is just a sharpshooter. So essentially you just shooting Let's try Street Gunman. Let's try deer hunting. Let's try Sea of Fire. Let's pick a motion game. Okay, let's do fight. Alright, so here, what am I doing here? Okay, there we go. So it does work, and they actually have wrist guards, so you don't actually end up throwing it at the TV. But yeah, let's see what other games they have here. So let's try some tennis. Oh. So you don't have to be super perfect to play this game, as long as, but pretty good game. All right, next let's try bowling. So it's a 2-player game. By the way, you can buy more remotes and then you can play with more people. All right, let's see how this one works. All right, so here's bowling. Use the arrows to move to wherever you want. Oh, so then you press this. And then you shoot. Ooh, that's cool. All right. All right, so that's your bowling. Oh, that's okay. Let's try another game. Rope skipping, all right.
Ready?
All right, so basically we need two of these together. And you can go faster or slower. We're going to try the trampoline. Let's see if we need 2 controllers or just 1. So basically, so you can do different things in the air. We got fencing. All right, so let's see here. Oh. Also, I can go backwards. All right, let's try some puzzle casual games before we get to the classics. So there's quite a lot of games here. Again, tons and tons of different things. Beans King, Trample Goblin, Pigby Go Home, Submarine. There's some that I like the highway racing one is actually pretty nice. I'm just gonna show you. So this one is essentially very easy. You just have forward, backwards, and then you have, that's it. So very rudimentary. You're just moving side to side, right? And trying not to crash into things. So if there's 2 players, it'd be kind of cool to see because that kind of slows you down if you hit something. There you go. Otherwise, it's kind of nice and easy. Let's try another one. You've got some pastry. We got some smart like IQ Cow. We have Spot the Dots. So there's quite a lot of puzzles, for example, stairs. Here's the Japanese sumo one I was telling you about. So there's a lot of games that will basically train your mind as well. So this one's kind of easy. Graphics aren't too bad. Essentially, you just kind of go up and then you try and block or hit the sumo person here. There you go. All right, let's go and look at the classic games now. All right, let's see what kind of classics. Now, the classic games are on the SD card, so you can always upload and change them. So there's 809 altogether. Let's see if we can... Oh, Airwolf. I remember playing Airwolf. Let's play Airwolf. All right, so there's us and... Wow, 8-bit graphics. So basically, yeah, we're just steering with this. And this is how you shoot. Yeah, this is back in the 80s. That's what graphics look like. How do you exit from these games? So you press back for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's how easy it is to exit the games. Let's see what else they've got. Well, you guys can basically just kind of pause if you're interested. Angry Birds even. Let's see Angry Birds 2 and 3. Curious to see what that looks like on here. Again, you're using this remote controller. Angry Birds. Let's go back. Oh, Castlevania. Let's play that. Super graphics. Well, they play exactly as you would expect them to with this remote. Let's try Contra Force. I remember playing Contra. So shoot and jump and then forward. Very simple. Let's try something else. Double Dragon! What? Let's play Double Dragon. I love this game. Oh my goodness. I played this game for hours. So this one, all of these work, right? And then you jump, and then you kick and you punch. Double Dragon. I'm just gonna randomly pick one just to see if they all work. Oh, they all work. Let's try Mega Man. I remember playing Mega Man too. Mortal Kombat? No way. Mortal Kombat 4 and 5. Let's try the better one. They're just certain games. Yoko. I've never played like this crappy version of games, so but works. Ninja Gaiden. Oh man, I remember playing Ninja Gaiden. Let's try Ninja Gaiden, see what that looks like. Hit. Let's try Ninja Turtles 4. It's like a basketball game. And these are really old games. Woo! As you can see, this is a super fun and versatile little game console that gives you tons of entertainment value for kids, adults, or even in college or university dorms. So, I mean, I have a blast playing this by myself or with my kid. The shooting games with the AR gun are absolutely awesome. The wireless controllers like the Wii are also good. I mean, playing tennis or ping pong with someone is definitely fun. So I definitely recommend this product to anybody who likes retro games or for gaming and shooting. So that's the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.